Good morning to everyone. Today I'll go for chapter 2, that is Boolean algebra. In previous classes, we already discussed about the chapter 1, typical configuration of computer. During that class, we already completed the model question papers related to chapter 1. It carries 1 marks question and as well as a 3 marks question. Already I have given some of the questions, important question regarding for the first chapter. I hope you solved that question. And today we'll go for chapter 2, that is Boolean algebra. Before going to further explanation regarding the Boolean algebra, we need to know what is exactly the Boolean algebra here. What is Boolean algebra means? What is Boolean algebra means? Boolean algebra is a division of mathematics that deals with the operation of logical values and incorporate binary variable. Once again, please listen carefully. The definition is Boolean algebra is a division of mathematics that deals with the operations on logical values and incorporates binary variables where Boolean variables are presented with possible values, that is 1 and as well as or that is 0. 1 represents the true and 0 represents the false. This is what exactly we need to learn the Boolean algebra definition. And also you can observe on the screen, as per the textbooks analysis, we can conclude that an algebra that deals with the binary number system, this algebra is known as Boolean algebra. Also is a kind of a definition, that is nothing but it deals with the binary number system, is nothing but as a Boolean algebra. Also we can able to define the definition. Clear? What exactly it is useful? Why it is useful? In the sense, it is a useful in designing the logic circuit used by the processor of the computer system. I hope you understand this the concept. And the Boolean algebra mainly has been formed by mathematician called Georgi Boole here. He is the one of the author who invented this Boolean algebra. Clear? Okay then. And also you need to know that we have another name for Boolean algebra, that is switching algebra. We need to say here switching algebra. Also we need to say here why it is switching. Why we need to say it is switching? In the sense, as a logical problems of binary decisions, and Boolean algebra effectively deals with these binary values, that is also called as switching algebra. In examination he is asking for 1 marks question, that is what is the another name for Boolean algebra. You need to write down switching algebra is the another name for Boolean algebra. I hope it is clear. It is carries 1 marks question. So let us go for further here. Binary valued quantity, that is what kind of quantities we need to learn here. There are two things. One is variable and as well as a constant. So let us consider one example over here. In this following example, we consider one question: should I carry the book or not? It means that the answer should be is in the form of yes or no. Yes in the sense which represents the binary value is 1, and no which represents the binary number is 0 here. So should I use calculator or not? Should I miss TV program or not? So these are the questions which can be done answer in terms of the format called as yes or no format. So these are the possible answers over here. This is nothing but binary decision we need to say here. Binary decision is nothing makes the also applies to formal logic also we need to say here. And as you know that the binary value that are binary are Boolean expressions or Boolean equations are having a two values, two possible values, that is a false and as well as a true. False represents the 0 and true represents the 1. So next we have a logical operations. Logical operations, what exactly the logical operations is saying here? There are some specific operations that can be applied on the truth functions, that is compound logical functions and logical operations. Here we have some of the things, that is logical functions is also called as a compound statement we need to say here. Compound statements, what do you mean by compound statement? In the sense, here is one example which shows the compound expression. Compound statement: 2 into a plus 3 into b minus 6 equal to 10 into z divided by 2 into y. This is a kind, these kinds of equations are called as a compound statements are a logical function we need to say. In this logical function or compound statement, we are supposed to use a mathematical operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and as well as a division, which forms the algebraic expression we need to say here. Is it clear? These kinds of functions are called as a logical functions or compound statement we need to say here. Similarly, logical statements or truth functions are combined with the help of logical operators like this can be converted as and or not to form a compound statement or a logical statement. Suppose take an example. Assume that x and y and z are logical variables, and logical expressions can be written as x not y or z, y and x or z. These are the things are here x and y z are the variables, and where not r are the logical expressions we need to say here. These kinds of statements are called compound statements and also called as logical functions. Next, logical operator we have here. What exactly the logical operator is saying here? What do you mean by logical operator? In the sense, the truth table, before going to logical operator, we need to know one thing, that is what is a truth table over here. By knowing the truth table only, we can understand logical operator. So let us go for truth table. Truth table is a table which represents all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible returns results for the given combination of values. That is nothing but in truth table we can represent all the possible values in logical variable or a statement with all the possible result for the given combination of the value. That is nothing but a truth table we need to say here. Here we have an example. First we need to know that what exactly a truth table is that. Let us go for an example. Clear? If x and y are the logical statement and r is the result, then truth table can be written as follows. Here is the truth table: x and y and r. Here r is the result and x and y are the variables, and these are the logical possible values over here. X and y, two variables, with r is nothing but a result. So x possible values are 0, 0, 1, 1 and y is 0, 1, 0, 1. And don't get confusion that, sir, why should we write 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 1 in the place of x we have writing as a 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Why can't we write it is a 1, 1, 0, 0 in the reverse order? Is it possible? Can we write in this format? Of course, we can't write in that format because the binary should be written in this format only. That is, possible values are only written should be in this format only. X is 0, 0, 1, 1. Why it is 4? In the sense we have a two variables, for that sake we are taking as a four possible values. If it's a three variables, then we should go for a 8 variables. Like that we are going to increase the value depend upon the variables. So let us go for x and y have a two possible values: 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So result is 0, 0, 1, 1. This kinds of table is nothing but as a truth table we need to say here. In examination, they may ask a 2 marks question or 3 marks question or a 1 marks question. By seeing this truth table, we can conclude that what exactly the tautology and as well as a falsy. Right on what explain the tautology and falsy, define, or else explain the method of tautology and falsy, define tautology and falsy. These are the questions they may ask in examination for 3 marks question as well as a 1 marks question. So according to this table, we can say that if result of any logical statement or expression is always true or 1, it is called tautology. If result of any logical statement or expression is always true or 1, it is called tautology. In this table, x value is 1, y value is, then only it is a 1. These kinds of result, if it is a 1, then it is called as a tautology. If the result is always false, then that kind of statement is nothing but falsy statement. So be clear, in the R we have a 3 zeros, it means that falsy result, and we have only one, that is called tautology. 1 represents the true value and 0 represents the false value. This is a truth table. Clear? Okay, then let us go for one by one, that is logical operators. There are 3 types of logical operator. The one is AND. There are 3 types of logical operator, that is NOT, OR, and AND operator. First one, we should go for a NOT operator. Now, what do you mean by NOT operator? In the sense, the name itself indicates that this is an operator operates a single variable and operations performed by NOT. Operator is called complementation, and this symbol we use for it is bar. This means x complement means it can be pronounced as of x and complement of x, and if you're using as a x z y z complement, then complement of yz we need to read. Clear? Whenever we use x bar, it means that complement of x. Whenever we use yz complement, it means that complement of yz. This is the way of reading the not operator. You can observe that. Once again I will read that the definition, that is, this operator operates on single variable and operations performed by not operator is called complementation. Is it clear? When what is the symbol to represent complementation? In the sense, you need to write down the bar. This is the where the symbol we can identify that this is the bar, it represents the complement. Here is a one of the statement, definitely you can understand here. Zero complement, zero complement is nothing but it means that if it's zero complement, your result is 1. Here is logical expression is not a false, output is true. Not a true, then output is false. Irreciprocal of the output we need to say here. If it is 0 complement, your output is 1. 1 complement, the output is 0. Clear? Here is a truth table for your not, that is x, only one variable we can able to perform on the not operator. Not operator can be performed only for the one variable. Clear? That is x 0 1. The opposite, if you are using as x complement, we need to write down the 0, it is 1, 1 it is 0. That is the not complement. And also you should be clear with, for complement also we are supposed to use as a tilde operator. As we seen in the keyboard, we are using as a tilde operator. It is also used for the complement operator. Don't get confusion in the examination. If we are providing as a x complement this symbol, it means that it is a x complement. If they are providing like this, also you should understand that it is a negation of x. Also we can able to say negation in the sense same operation can perform the complementations. Clear? This is called as a not operator. Next, come back with the x negation of x. Here is a truth table for not operator, and here is a Venn diagram for x complement. Here is a circle. Internal we have a x, and outer is nothing but a x complement. Internal in the circle we have a 0. Outer circle we have a irreciprocal of the x. That is, if it is a z, x is equal to 0, then x complement is having a 1. Its diagram shows that kind of truth table. Next, come back with the OR operator. A second important operator is Boolean algebra is OR operator, which denotes the operation called logical addition, and the symbol we use for it is plus operator. This is the plus operator is the important. You should declare that whenever we perform the OR operator, you should know that what kind of operator we need to use for OR operator. Here is the OR operator is addition symbol should be used. Sometimes the OR operator can also be say that logical addition operator. The plus symbol, it does not mean that arithmetic addition, but it is logical addition or logical OR symbol we need to say here. Don't pronounce arithmetic addition. It should be pronounced as a logical addition or logical OR symbol. Thus, x plus y can be read as x or y. So here is a truth table for OR operator. 0 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, the 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, it is 1. So by seeing this table, we can understand that when the both variables are false, then only the, sorry, sorry, that there is something a problem with the this here is something wrong over here. It should be a 0 here, sorry. Come back with the truth table over here. As for the truth table, here we are going to, you can see over here, whenever the both statements are false, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then only the output is 0. It means that when the both inputs are 0, then the both inputs are false, then only the output is result is false. In remaining all case, it is a always true. It means that 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1, it is a 1. This is the truth table of your R operator. Make it a correction in the textbook. 0 plus 0, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0, not 1. Clear? Okay. Here is a one diagram. And come back with the AND operator. AND operator performs another important operations of Boolean algebra, that is logical multiplication. For our operator is logical addition, but here we are using as a logical multiplication, where the symbol is used for AND operation is dot symbol should be used. It should be pronounced as logical multiplication. Thus x dot y will be read as x and y. The rules for AND operations are 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0, 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. It means that we can write the definition in the examination. If they ask what do you mean by what define AND operator, you need to read that when the both statement are both the logical variables are true, then only the result is true. In remaining all case, it is always false. You can read here 0 plus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. The truth table, it says that when the both statements are true, then only it is true. In remaining all case, it is a false. This is what exactly the AND operator we need to say here. In the further classes, we will see that evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. Before going to further classes, first you need to know that what is a truth table. Let us go for revision once again. The So what do you mean by truth table? Truth table which represents all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with the all possible result for the given combination of values. This is the truth table. Clear? In the general, logical operators are three types. One is and or not, or else not or and. Not means where we can able to perform the only one single variable. We can able to perform the operation of a single variable, and it can be represented as bar. Clear? So that is nothing but x bar is nothing but it can be pronounced as a complement of x. If you're using as a yz bar, it means that complement of yz. It means that 0 indicates output is 1, 1 complement means 0, 0 complement means 1. This is a way of reading, not the operator here. And where tautology, what do you mean tautology? If the result of any logical statements or expression is always true, then it is a tautology. If the result of always it is a false, then it is a false statement we need to say here. And come back with the AND operator. OR operator. OR operator can be represented as a logical addition symbol. Logical addition symbol we need. Sometimes we need to say it is a logical OR symbol. What exactly the truth table is saying that when the both statements are 0 or false, then only the output is result is with respect to result is false. Then only it is a false. In remaining all case, it is always true. That is nothing but as a OR operator. And where AND operator is nothing but logical multiplication we need to say here. For AND operator, we are using as a dot symbol we are using here. So what exactly the truth table is saying that when the both logical variables is both having a true statements, then only it is a true. In remaining all case, it is always false. That is called as a AND operator. Clear? Okay then. So be prepared for these questions. I will you need to answer these questions. I will write on the MS Word over here. So here is some of the questions I will ask for you. You can make this as an assignment. Okay. What is truth table? What is the other name for zebra, Boolean algebra? List out the types of gates define and or and not gate with truth table. I hope you understand the questions over here. And or and not get with the truth table. These are the 4 questions you need to answer in the commit box only. Clear? Write down your name in the commit section and write down the question with answer in the commit box only, and try to post these questions with answer in the WhatsApp group, concerned WhatsApp group provided by the college over here. Clear? And don't neglect this questions over here because it is important for your main examinations. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can share the questions in the comment box. Okay, then thank you.